Egan, do you have readings on all 5? Excellent. And their collars? Thank you. Prepare to innervate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There, take it easy. The effects of the sedative should wear off pretty quickly.
Where are we?
I'll answer all of your questions as a group in just a few minutes.
I can't remember anything.
Completely normal, just a part of the process.
What process?
Let's let the others wake up. Then I will answer all of your questions.
My head hurts.
Me too.
All of the effects of the sedative.
What sedative?
Well, I guess you are all awake enough. So I guess we can begin. First, I am Dr. Souls.
What are you a doctor of? Why do we have stuff on our faces? And why can't I remember anything? I can't even remember my name.
This will go faster if you don't interrupt me. I can answer all of your questions when I am finished, okay? As I said, I am Dr. Souls, Doctor of Behavior. I am the principal researcher here at this facility. The 5 of you volunteered to be part of our project and are being paid to participate.
Why can't we remember anything?
I was just getting to that. In order for this project to function, each of you has been given a strong memory suppressant that will last for the duration of your time in this experiment.
Experiment?
Yes, that is what you were being paid to be a part of. Each of you willingly signed up to participate, and today is the day.
What kind of experiment is this?
The details are quite cumbersome. All you need to know is that it is an experiment in base behavior when placed under extreme duress.
Extreme duress?
Not nearly as bad as it sounds. Each of you have been placed here specifically and in this particular experiment together based off of core qualities of who you are. You will notice on each of your garments there reads one word.
Mine says courageous.
In your initial interview, it was decided that this was the attribute that best describes you.
Cool.
I'm impulsive.
Yes, you are.
I don't feel impulsive.
Being impulsive is your most outstanding attribute, not necessarily a feeling. A person could be inherently violent, but not always feel like lashing out.
I'm compassionate. That sounds nice.
It sounds better than orderly. Am I like a librarian or something?
No. Although, maybe you should have been.
Excuse me?
Yes.
It says I'm devious.
And?
That's my outstanding attribute? That I'm devious?
According to our assessment,
I'm not devious.
it's nothing to get upset about.
You're not the one wearing the word devious on your shirt.
Okay, so I guess now is the time to explain something to you all. This experiment is designed to see if your true selves will come out when put in pressure situations. While you may have been judged as courageous or compassionate
Devious?
or even devious, this experiment, in temporarily erasing your memory, is testing to see whether such behavior is learned or just a part of your genetic makeup.
So just because I was a compassionate person before doesn't necessarily mean I will be now?
Exactly. Each of you come into this game with a clean slate, which means...
That I don't have to be devious.
Alrighty then, let's go ahead and get started.
Hold on a sec. We don't know the rules.
Ah, yes, the rules. Well, first you will notice that each of you woke up in a chair. That area will be your home base and where you will start each phase of the experiment.
Is that important?
It could be. It has been in past experiments.
What are things around our necks?
I was just about to get to that. First, I now need each of you to repeat after me. I am.
I am.
At this point, you add in your attribute, as in, I am courageous or I am compassionate.
But I'm not devious.
For this activity, please just play along.
What if I refuse?
That would be most unfortunate, and the reason you are wearing those collars.
What does that mean?
Anytime any one of you do or say anything against the rules of the game, all 5 will receive a penalty administered through these collars, which are quite impossible to remove.
What kind of penalty?
It will be quite painful, so please follow the rules. Now, repeat after me. I am
orderly.
Not devious. I'm not devious.
Can I trade with Devious? I don't mind. I will be devious as hell.
There can be no trading.
The next time she asks us to repeat after her, do it.
Please.
But I'm not devious.
Who cares? It's just a part of the rules.
Exactly. Follow the rules and everything will be fine. So now, repeat after me. I am.
Courageous.
It is who I am and what I am.
It is who I am and what I am.
Again.
I am orderly. It is who I am and what I am.
One more time.
I am orderly. It is who I am and what I am.
Now, during the rest of the experiment, you will need to say that phrase every time this bell chimes.
Why did you shock us again?
Because you weren't paying attention to the rules. Anytime the bell chimes, you were to say that phrase immediately.
I
am
courageous.
It is who I am and what I am.
Well done. Now at the beginning of each phase, you will read the cards placed under your chairs. The first one is right here. This one will be read by me to start the game. The card for round 2 is under that chair. But don't touch them yet. If you touch your card early, it will be breaking a rule, and you don't want to do that, do you? The reading of this card will begin the experiment and start the first stage.
Stage?
This game will be divided into 4 stages, with each stage resulting in one of you being eliminated. When there is but one remaining, we will have a winner and the experiment will be over.
How do you win?
The rules for each stage are sitting under each chair, waiting to be read at the appropriate time.
Good. Let's get started.
Now, everyone back to your starting position. Once I read the card in my hand, you will be put into a quick hypnotic sleep. When you awaken, stage 1 will begin. But please remember the bell.
I am
orderly. It is who I am and what I am. I still have questions.
The time for questions has passed. I will now recite the opening phrase. 5 of you will start this game, but soon just 4 remain. And when but 4 still grace this room, then all the rules will change.
I am orderly. It is who I am and what I am.